I'm here on Main Street in Broadway.
Wait to cross Broadway.
Yeah, that bun got distorted still.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
This never works actually. Got no idea why. And yes, I almost forgot one more thing. This, you know, right next to the Main Street sign. Yeah, right there. Right next to the Main Street sign. There's still no Broadway Avenue sign. 1 year ago, someone like took it down for some reason, but I didn't see. I think we're gonna cross now. And yes, this one has 12 seconds.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait. Traveling north.
North.
Wait.
That's north right there. I pressed the button, now it does a chirp here. And yes, today is August 2nd, 2025.
Wait.
And my birthday's on August 4th, which is 2 days. So,
wait.
Yes, so here's the sign, says Main Street right here. See that sign right there?
Wait.
You ready for this?
Wait.
I'm not waiting for a long time, come on. I got stuff to do. There you go. And let's see this one right here. Yeah, this one does not work here. Yeah, this crosswalk does not work. This one needs to be replaced with a new button still. Stupid button, bro. Like, what the hell? And yes, and then yeah, we'll be waiting till it's time. So I'm gonna wait until it's time, and then we can cross. Alright, this button does not work. This crosswalk over here broke, or I can say the button over here does not work, and so is the light. But the light still works, but the button does not work. So as the speaker, that does not work. That one needs to be replaced too. So here's Main Street right over there. Sign over there says Main Street. We cross Main Street, we'll be crossing Broadway again. Because this sign right over there says Broadway. We'll be crossing Broadway again. No sign up there. Someone took it down. Here's Broadway, as you can see right there. Alright, I'm gonna wait till it's time. And yes, you're gonna hear the countdown on the crosswalk here.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, that's it.